Hi ladies, and welcome to week 3 on leadership. After your assignments for this week, you will be halfway through this session. Our student competency this week is to demonstrate leadership potential by creating and facilitating a work environment in the achievement of a shared need to establish a goal and develop a related healthcare policy. We're going to do that by describing a shared need about a problem in our own work environment. We're going to facilitate a plan to achieve the goal. We're going to conduct an interview with a member of your facility and develop a related healthcare policy or bill. So our discussion question includes what kind of problems exist in healthcare facilities. These are just but a few. We have communication problems from shift to shift, from discipline to discipline. We have flow problems throughout the hospital and in and out of the hospital. We have patient safety problems. We have problems with safe lifting. We have staffing problems with nurses and physicians. We have patient experience problems. We have workplace violence problems. We have people coming into our emergency rooms now that are more violent than ever. We have problems with regulatory standards, and we have problems with hospital security. What else can you think of? I just named a few of them here to give you some ideas, to get you thinking, but there are many, many more. We're going to share these problems in this assignment with our interdisciplinary team. And this just brought me to think about how many of you do interdisciplinary rounds routinely in your facility? And are they successful? Our assignment is then to write a 3-page policy focusing on a healthcare problem. Now, this is not a hospital policy. This is a legislator policy. So this is a broader problem than a staffing issue on your unit. So you're going to choose an important healthcare issue, research it, analyze it, interview a colleague who's interested in the subject, and then read some policies or bills to see what the format and content is like, and then develop a healthcare policy or bill yourself. Some examples here, and again, these are just but a few. Healthcare policy and reform, safe staffing, health information technology, EMRs, patient portals, access to care, workforce, opioid crisis, vaccines, community water fluoridation, reproductive and sexual health, abortion, birth control, gun violence, tobacco reform. I just added this slide because these are two of my favorite pictures. And I want to tell you, as always, to contact me with any questions. And have a nice week. I will see you online.